Habitats Explored, Episode 5, Mangroves. Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea Habitats Explored series with me, Victoria. This week I'm going to be talking all about mangroves. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Cheers. Mangroves are a type of tree that grow in coastal saline or brackish waters, which is a mix of salt and fresh water. Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees, also called halophytes, and are adapted to live in harsh coastal conditions. They have numerous thick roots that grow above ground and hold the coastline in place, giving it its shape. Once they are gone, they cannot simply be replanted, as while they are gone, erosion would change the shape of the coastline, making it almost impossible for them to grow back in their original habitats. Mangroves prevent coastal erosion, they store large quantities of carbon and are a perfect nursery for marine life. They may help fight coral bleaching through providing shelter and reducing ocean acidification. As well as this, they store more carbon than terrestrial forest, possibly as much as 10 times that of a similarly sized terrestrial forest. Mangroves are an example of blue carbon habitat, sequestering carbon and locking it away for thousands of years. Just like rainforests on land, these habitats are threatened by coastal development, unsustainable fishing, climate change, deforestation and pollution. Destruction releases stored carbon back into the atmosphere, increasing the speed of global warming. They support numerous life forms from microorganisms through invertebrates, as well as many vertebrates such as fish, reptiles, amphibians, birds and mammals. Mangroves are a particularly important part of estuarine food webs, providing large amounts of leaf litter. Leaves drop from the mangrove trees and are quickly decomposed by bacteria and fungi. This detritus is a food source for shrimp, crab and fish species. Algae play a vital role in mangrove community food webs. Many organisms feed directly on micro and macroalgae that thrive within the mangrove communities. The extensive root systems, muddy bottoms and open waters are all home to invertebrates that are well adapted to the temperature and salinity variation, as well as tidal influence common to mangroves. The invertebrates feed on leaf litter, detritus, plankton and other small animals, snails, barnacles, tunicates, mollusks, sponges, polychaete worms, isopods, amphipods, shrimps, crabs and jellyfish all live on or in close proximity to mangrove root systems. The mangrove tree canopy is also home to species such as the mangrove tree crab. Horseshoe crabs are scavengers and may be found among mangroves, feeding on algae, invertebrates and dead organisms. Species such as the green sea turtle and loggerhead turtle utilise mangroves for their nursery areas, where they receive protection from predators and it is rich in food. Freshwater turtles also rely on mangroves. As you can see, mangroves are a very important habitat and are relied upon by numerous species, as well as the ones I mentioned here. So that was an introduction to mangroves. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new, why not give me a thumbs up and comment down below. If you aren't already, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support me and it is completely free. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye for now. Cheers.